In the mystical land of Al-Noor, where the crescent moon illuminated the shimmering sands, there lived a gentle-hearted camel named Khalid. Khalid wasn't just any camel. His eyes sparkled with the wisdom of ages, and his coat seemed to glisten under the sun. One cool evening, Khalid found himself on the outskirts of the lush Oasis of Serene, known for its tranquil waters and vibrant palm trees. On this particular night, he met a curious little girl named Amira, who was visiting her grandparents. Amira was inquisitive, always asking questions, and her eyes were filled with wonder as she approached Khalid, who was resting by the water. "Hello, Khalid," Amira greeted politely, as her soft voice danced in the evening breeze. "Can you tell me why we pray 5 times a day?" With a gentle nod, Khalid replied, Amira, our prayers, or Salah, are like the gentle breaths of air that keep our heart and soul alive and rejuvenated. They remind us of gratitude and goodness, skills that help us stay connected with Allah, the creator of all that is around us.